Good evening and welcome to our coverage from Perth Stadium. You join us for this match between England and Afghanistan. Here we go, first ball of the match. Nothing better than getting a game started and hearing the sound of leather on willow.
Yes.
Middle that one, great timing.
Seemed very happy to take the boundary first up, punched away nicely to get off the mark.
Just need to keep it simple. Line and length, around about off stump, and that'll force the mistake.
Yep.
A real beauty, just times it so well.
Found the gap with ease, wasn't the worst ball you'll see, but it still raced to the rope.
2 boundaries in a row, time to just focus on line and length again.
Yes.
Into the gap, nice shot.
The fielder could only pick that up off the boundary rope, punched that away through the covers with exquisite timing.
Cuts that off well in the infield,
Nice.
but that last delivery and keep the batter under pressure.
Yes.
It mightn't get to the boundary, should at least get a couple. Just the length slightly to be just a little fuller. Too short on this pitch, and as we've seen already, it makes it very easy to score. There'll be 1 run here for them from the northern end.
Yes.
They'll get at least 1.
Yes.
Ease through the field. There'll be runs here.
Yes.
Thick edge.
Ball in.
Spot time and again. Doesn't beat the infield.
Yep.
There'll be runs here.
Yep.
Oh my, that's racing away. And that's the end of the innings.
Yep.
Really good shot there.
That went all the way up toward the grandstand for 4, driven away nicely.
You can see how good this pitch can be for batting. You want the player coming forward, but it's a tight margin. Only a touch full and put away. Huge edge. Time to keep the pressure on now. Great last ball to find the edge. It's just a case of finding the same spot. Couldn't get it through the field. Need to be hitting.
Yep.
Nicked it, but that's going all the way.
Didn't time it at all, but managed to get it away to the boundary.
Boundary off the last ball. What's to come off this delivery, I wonder? Big edge. Massive edge.
Yeah.
Super shot.
Yep.
Straight to the fielder. Edged it.
I, for one, reckon that second run was on, but clearly the batters knew better.
1 good ball to win it now. They need 2 sixes to win. Just need to put the ball in a good area, make it difficult to score.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice shot, runs possible.
Yep.
Edge, amazing delivery.
This has been a famous victory.